Hey everybody, it's Mary Gardner. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And I wanted to talk to you about something that's kind of personal. Do any of you guys ever get dismissed, put in the corner, passed over, ignored, any of those kind of things, and watch other people jump ahead in their careers or walk in a room and get noticed and everybody's turning their head and all of a sudden all the energy goes to them and you're thinking, I'm smarter than them. I know what I'm doing. They don't know what they're doing. They're BSing. They're BSing the boss. And look at them. They're full of smoke, So anyway, I coach a lot of people that have been in that position before who are no longer in that position. Why? Because they work with me. I'm an expert at communication and helping people gather influence in their authentic voice. So I wanted to have a conversation with you about that. If you are somebody who has ever felt like you were dismissed or passed over, then it's understandable. It's possible that you are a kind, sensitive introvert, somebody who waits to be seen, somebody who is a very solid worker, somebody who brings in a tremendous amount of value, but it's possible that you're waiting to be discovered. And if that's true, you might wait forever. I understand it. I definitely do, because you're a sensitive person and you know that you have so much value. But I also know that people are busy and it's the squeaky wheel that gets the grease. So I don't want you sitting behind sitting behind your hope that you're going to be noticed. I want to encourage you to get out there and to be noticed for sure. It's kind of like, it reminds me of that movie Dirty Dancing, when the guy, I can't remember his name, he says to Jennifer Grey, nobody puts baby in the corner. Well, it's funny, but it's true. Like, you don't want to be put back there. And so I wanted to give you a couple of tips of what I help the introverts do. Now, what I do, I have been in the communication area for many years. I'm a former celebrity agent. I've worked on Wall Street. I worked at Goldman Sachs as a corporate trainer. I have worked near the White House on Capitol Hill, and I've worked with CEOs all over the country and people who are up and coming CEOs. I work with people to gain them polish, executive presence. And so I have a few things to say. So the very first thing is to know what you're doing, and what got you to here is not going to get you to there. So you have to learn new competencies. And I have a lot of people saying, oh, I don't really like social media. Social media is just a business tool. You probably didn't like the computer when it started either, or the new software platform that you're having to use. It's a new competency, and we are here to learn and grow every single day. So learning this new competency of influence is what you have to do. And when you go from a competency of management where you're in the weeds, or if you're doing the work and then you get to management, there are new competencies. So learning social media and learning to be an influencer and a thought leader is a new competency. Next, you've got to make your online appearance as strong as your in-person appearance. And so if you are a worker bee and you are, let's say, an engineer or an accountant or financial person, but you have dreams of leadership and management and owning a company, then you need to start moving towards better communication and being likable and having charisma in your personality. So you want to start working on those communication things. One of the top places that I work with my clients is in the boardroom. They're in a meeting. So a couple of tips there about the meeting: go prepared, know what the last meeting minutes were, come with valuable information. And a lot of people sit around and socialize in the beginning. You got to be able to do that. Don't just zero right in on business and get to work at business. You've got to be able to have social skills. I've got a program I'd love to share with you if you're interested. It's called Introvert to Influencer: How to Connect, Communicate, and Captivate. Would love to get that information for you. All right, so you've got to learn those communication skills. Number 3, be willing to get up and speak on stage. So whether that is a toast that you're giving for somebody, whether that is bringing information to the meeting and capturing everyone's attention and say, I want to share this information with you guys right now, it's really valuable. Or just being at an event and you're the one that comes out and you manage maybe the group and invite everybody in as master of ceremonies, or you get up on stage and speak. You've got to start making physical appearances on stage, on video, and owning the stage. All right, guys, would love to introduce you to our boot camp. Your stage is waiting, and invite you in. Book a meeting with me. I will help you get likable, charismatic, and be that leader on stage, because you know what? You deserve it. You own it. You've wanted it for a long time. I can help you get there. All right, guys, have a great day. Look forward to connecting with you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.